Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube, hit that bell notification button. Hey, we've got a really cool new phone from AT&T. You can go to AT&T.com, check out all their mobile devices there. Review a lot of phones from AT&T, so you can check them out and tell them Chris Voss sent you. This is a awesome new phone from LG. Now I got to tell you, I've been partial to LG for all the years that they've been putting out phones. Back in the early days of the phone wars between Apple and Samsung and LG and all the other companies that were out there, LG would always put forward a very innovative, head of the sort of crowd phone, and I used to really specifically love LG phones. If you go back and watch all the LG AT&T reviews we've done over the years, you'll see like a whole ton of reviews we've done, and you'll see me gushing about them, I'm sure. Since then, it seems like everybody wants either a Samsung or an Apple. And LG still makes really great phones. In fact, one of the great things about the situation they're in is their incredible value to buyers in the marketplace. So you can get a really good phone without paying top dollar for an exceptional price and get a great phone. And I really have loved and enjoyed this phone, especially for its flip-out feature, its fold-out feature, where you can actually be looking at two screens at once, but you don't have to worry about all those other problems some of the other makers had with peeling and all that other good stuff. It's brilliantly done in the way they built this phone. So let's get into it. It's the LG V60 ThinQ 5G. You can get this on an installment program. It comes with a capacity memory of 128 gigabytes. So there you go. Awesome sauce. This thing is built to rock and roll and everything else. Blazing fast, and it works with AT&T's 5G connectivity. You can search on the AT&T site to see if 5G is in your local area. It's in mine, and wow, it is super fast. When I upload like videos and stuff to Facebook, it's like boom, they are up there. And it's got a beautiful 6.8 inch OLED display that's just freaking awesome. So let's talk about some of the different specs on it that really stand out. 64 megapixel rear camera, 10 megapixel front. Really interesting and cool technology here. It takes just incredible pictures. 8K video out the back for capture and playback, and it's got a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. I gotta tell you, the battery lasts forever. Even with me running two screens, I'm just really surprised at how well it holds up between the memory and everything else that goes into it. The weight of it is 7.72 ounces. The resolution is 2460 by 1080 with 16.7 million colors, of course. We went over some of the different camera things. There's a lot of variations, of course, in camera and video capture you can take and do on it. But geez, just being able to have that high-res 8K video is freaking awesome. And of course, you're going to have videos you're going to be watching your 8K TV someday, and you'll be able to enjoy that as well. Or you can upload it to YouTube, watch it there. What are some of the other different things? There's different shutters they built into it: a studio, a time lapse, a steady recording, YouTube Live, night view, portrait, makeup, my avatar, manual camera, slow-mo camera, panoramic, live video, stickers, auto shot, gesture shot, burst shot, timer, quick share, and quick video editor. Pretty freaking awesome. As we mentioned before, the battery is 5,000 milliamp hours. It's non-removable. That gives you talk time of up to 21 hours. I don't know anybody would stay on the phone talking for 21 hours straight, but someone tested it evidently. Standby time, 24.5 hours. Audio playback, speaker up to 53 hours. Headset up to 170 hours. It's got wireless charging compatible. I got to tell you, it's got two different charging things. You can either use a USB-C, or if you've got the dual screen case on it, which is really nice, I recommend that. It's got a special plug that magnetizes right on, and the magnetization, just slap it on there, away you go, and you're good to go. Full charging for fast charging compatible is 120 minutes up to 100%. Which is pretty darn nice. It's got a chipset of a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 in it with an octa-core, one at 2.8 gigahertz, 3 at 2.5 gigahertz, and 4 at 1.7 gigahertz. It is fast. The expandable storage is up to 2B on top of the 128 GB. Holy crap. They pack this thing with a lot of stuff, and 8 gigabytes of RAM, which you're going to definitely want. It comes with Android 10 ThinQ version, and you can, of course, do all the different things with it. And the 5G, keep that in mind. If you're on AT&T, you definitely want to upgrade to that 5G because that's pretty darn important. It does all the other things you'd expect from your mobile phone and everything else. I love the fold-out design of it. I love the when it's closed, it's got the screen. One thing that's really nice about the two-screen fold-out thing is you can actually use it as a stand. So I can stand it up on a horizontal or vertical level, and then I can watch stuff going on. I actually sit it on my desk standing up with the fold so I can see what's going on, like on Twitter and different things across my feed. And what's nice is it's not laying flat on the desk, which actually gives me some safety. The case cover for the dual screen actually acts as a case, so you don't really have to buy a case for it. It's all kind of built in one piece, and you have access, of course, to everything else. I really love the phone. Video, camera-wise, it's great. There's only one thing that I've kind of been wondering about, and then I'm reaching out to LG. For some reason, when I tell it to do the high-res video or photos, it doesn't save that. I have to keep going in every single time I open the camera to do that. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure if they're going to fix that in future software, so we'll wait to see what LG thinks. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and watch for the full review update. We'll be walking through a full review update of the phone and everything else, but this is just our unboxing here. Be sure to go to AT&T.com. You can order, of course, all the wonderful phones they have from them. We certainly appreciate them always sharing their phones with us and helping us bring them to you. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube, and watch for the full review.